Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. My name is Nike. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. I am so excited today because today I tried to prep this whole place just for my baby to take his picture. Guys, it is so stressful. This is his boss baby birthday cake, and then the boss baby banner, just for him to have nice pictures for being age 2. We prepped everything, tried to get a toddler to take this picture. But guys, guess what? His attention span is so low. I have been trying all day. I am so tired. And then actually today, guys, I actually do feel like eating puff puff. And I remember there's a recipe of puff puff that I love. It's a very, very beautiful recipe. It's the simplest puff puff recipe. Trust me, guys. It is fluffy. It is smooth. It is delicious. Like, once you start chewing, you're not gonna want to stop chewing. So, anyway, guys, I want to make puff puff right now. As you guys can see, this baby right here is hungry. And to be honest, today the only thing I've had is noodles and egg. I am so tired. So guys, let me just jump straight to the point and tell you guys what I'm going to be using for this simple puff puff recipe. So here are my ingredients. Right here I have my self-rising flour, sugar, and yogurt. Yes, this is Greek yogurt. Like, it is weird that you guys don't see yeast, you don't see what do we call this other one? Baking powder. Yeah, because this is already a self-rising flour. So I have my yogurt here, and this is my sugar. So the name of this puff puff is gonna be called the yogurt puff puff, guys. Yogurt puff puff. So you guys should stay tuned. Watch me mix it. I'm gonna give directions on how I get this puff puff yogurt ready. I just make a bowl. I'll put my sugar in first. Mix the sugar. Mix my sugar just to make sure the sugar goes round in the flour. And then let me be sure first. Let me be sure with this mixing. You need to be sure. If you want to add some cinnamon, you could, or some nutmeg, but I think I'm going to be adding a little bit of vanilla extract to my yogurt. I will just turn everything into the bowl, turn my yogurt, mix, and once I'm done mixing, voila, that's it. I'm ready. So all you gotta do here is mix, 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 mix. Do not add water. It will be looking like you would need more water or more dough or something. Please do not add anything. This yogurt is enough. As you guys can see, it's beginning to form already. Please do not add water. Do not add yeast. Do not add any other thing into this. Just keep mixing. Keep mixing. Do you guys see? My dough is forming up. I told you guys, this is the easiest recipe you can think about. It is so easy. Guys, as you can see, I did not add any water, I did not add milk, I did not add any other thing aside from my yogurt and my sugar. So just keep mixing. Please don't be scared that oh it's not looking like the actual puff puff dough when it rises. Do not be scared. Just keep mixing and make sure it touches every part of the bowl, like the whole flour. Mix till you get the whole flour part, you know, till everything is mixed, guys. Now see what it looks like. Don't be scared, guys. Our dough is ready. Our puff dough is, our oil is hot and is ready to be fried. So I'm using an ice cream scoop. So our puff is ready. Actually, our yogurt puff is ready. Guys, this puff tastes as good as it looks. Just look at that. Look at this. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's so soft. Trust me, it tastes like bread. The inside tastes just like bread. It's soft, it's succulent, it's not hard. You know how most puff-puffs are always like thick inside, like in the inside, and no, this is just so soft. The sugar is just the right quantity. This yogurt is amazing, guys. It is amazing. You know, since I haven't had anything to eat since morning, I decided to top it up with a little bit of apple juice. So cheers to puff yogurt. It's a new recipe. If you think you like this recipe, it's pretty easy, it's something you would like to try out, please try this recipe out and drop your comments in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let me and my beautiful baby enjoy our yogurt puff. Yummy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. God bless.